I hope they are not back again. Yeah, it is almost Christmas. They could have gone to vacation. We don't know, but look there. They set up a Christmas tree. Oh, and they made a snowman. Oh, it fell down. Let me fix it, otherwise, the giant birds will be angry. Okay, there we go. I fixed it. Alright, now I hope they are not back again. Oh, I think you guys saw it. They are back. Oh no, now we already see. Oh, is that the new one? It's a peacock. Yeah, we didn't saw it last time. Oh no. And later we will come. I hope then there is no new giant birds. Yeah, I think here it goes again. Yup, always know when we enter this forest. Hey! Are you their enemies? Yeah, and we will kill you all, and especially you, the new one, peacock. Hey, you guys! Come on, my new friends. Kill him! Ouch! Ow! We both fell down. Oh, that's nice. Mother and baby fell down together. Ouch, but I am still okay. Don't worry, I will pick you up later, my mother. Oh no, the baby is back. Don't worry, I am busy in this, but you can kill the baby. Good luck, guys. Okay, we will good luck. I hope nothing happened to the Christmas tree of these bad guys. They're breaking into our forest. Oh, the Christmas tree is alright. Merry Christmas, but don't get distracted. Let's eat him. Hey, I told you to eat the baby kangaroo. Oh, I don't know. I think leave it. The other friends will do. Alright, I will do. I will listen to my new friends. Ouch, you hit us both. But someone has to hit the kangaroo mother, the Mrs. Kangaroo. I think the other friends will do it. Yeah. Oh, there is only 4 of us left. Four of us left. Hey, why am I so confused? I think because it is Christmas excitement. Oh, okay. But let's kill that kangaroo down there. I think no, we will get dirty because it is the ground and there is sand. So I will kill the above ones. Ow! I get hurt myself. But lucky for me and my friends, we are eating, you know. Which one should I eat? Oh no, the guys, they did the bell. Oh no, I will fix it, guys. Wait a minute. Oh no, those guys, they're ruining our Christmas. And done. I have decorated the Christmas tree full. Look at the Merry Christmas. But we still need to have a star. Don't worry, we will buy it in Christmas Day. Alright. Now, what was I doing right now? Oh, yeah, killing the animals. Wait for me. I am the last one left. Which one? I think that one, the cow has less people eating it. So I will eat the cow. Yum, 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 yum. Hey, why are you climbing me? Oops, sorry. Alright, everyone is dead. Now let's go back to our nest. Hey, we forgot. The babies went to practice flying. I think they will come when the video ends. Yeah, the babies went to practice flying school. I hope they're back in, I think, 2 hours. So, wee-hoo! But this is the fun part, not about talking. Jump, 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 jump. Oh, come in. Hey guys, why you always leave me in the last? Oh, I'm not the last. Ha, now you're the last. Hey, ouch. How can you do that to the queen? I mean the queen. Oh no, looks like I'm the last one left again. Hey, because I'm the king, I forgot. The queen, I mean. Hey, why am I so confused? I think Christmas excitement is coming to me. So, let's get focused. Ouch! They killed us all. Oh, my friends, are you already dead? Wake up! Oh, what? What you are saying? Oops, I am upside down. Thank God you are alive. But look at us. Ouch, the birds did it. It really hurts, and I think a thorn hit my leg. Ouch, but this really hurts. Yeah, we all hurt. Today is the most bad day of my life. Yeah, not you only. All of us. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I mean. Let's stand away from the Christmas tree because I think we might break it. Yeah. Oops. Ouch. Alright, I will just lie down. Hey, wait for me. There. Give me some space, otherwise I will fall in the Christmas tree. Wait for me, ouch. Oh, looks like they're back at their nest again. Just like always. Wow, I didn't know so much of us can be just so fast. Oh my God, look at us. We are 6 now. Yeah, how fast did we grow our group? Good, then we can kill more animals. Hey, put your leg side. Oops. Sorry, it's okay. Oh, I think they're just resting after us. Hey, guys, I see those guys again. I mean the bad guys. Let's kill them. Hey, where's the hammer? Ooh, I think the children take it. Oh no, not again. Now how do we kill it? I think we should kill it by our sharp beaks. Oh yeah, we have sharp beaks. Yeah, I forgot to. So let's go and eat our good meals. Oh no, they are coming again. I was hiding here. I was hiding here. Ouch. And I was hiding here. Yeah, I was hiding here. And I'll take this pillow. Yeah, that's the perfect pillow. And this is my perfect pillow. Alright, first I will go down. Then I will cover myself. Why did he left me, guys? But the Christmas tree is so beautiful. The snowman can see. But where do I hide? Oh yeah, I'm silly. Alright, we are ready again. Okay, but we have to jump but not destroy the Christmas tree. Whee! Oops. My fault. Okay, don't worry guys, I fixed it. Alright. They are the good guys. They are the bad guys who are hiding. Yeah, now let's not jump. There, that's a slow jump. Yeah, correct. Please like and subscribe, guys. And hit the bell icon. Why did you forget about that? Oops. And the last, remember, because I am the queen. Let's count us. 1, that's me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, looks like all of us are here. Yeah, and the yellow parrot will come later because the yellow parrot is damaged by, I think, by a thorn. So, he will be back later, I think. Yeah, I don't know when. What are you talking about? Yeah. Oh, I see that I have a yellow beak and you have orange and red. Some of you have orange, some of you have red. And the red and the yellow ones like me are the lowest. Oh, looks like we have to more yellow beaks and more red beaks. You know what I mean. Okay, starting with the big one, the Mrs. Kangaroo. She is bigger than us. But if we be a team together, we can be bigger than her. Oh, look, there she is, down there. Alright, just like always. Alright, now kill it. Yum, 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 yum. Ugh. Oh, no, not again. Puck, puck, puck. Oh, you already chickened her? Wait for me. Do not talk about me. I am a chicken. But I think, yeah, I am a rooster. Tasty. Oops. I am a male. So they call me a rooster. Because I do cockroco and the females like chickens don't do. Yeah, it's a chicken because it is actually a female. Yeah, we know, animal chicken. Not, I'm talking about you. Yeah, like a real chicken. Ooh, look like you come first. Yeah, first and last the queen can come. Alright, anyways, let's eat. Yum, 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 yum. 3 hours later. Alright, we killed. Now let's move on to the next meat. Alright. Always more hungry for other meats. I will be in the other side. Yeah, wait for me. We both are the oldest because we are the first ones here. Yeah, and we came after. Wait for me. Hey, let's make 3 equal. Hey, why did you drop me? Oops, sorry. Alright, he's really dead. She's really dead, I mean. Alright, is all of us here? Yeah, 3 equal. That means 6 altogether. Now, let's move on to the baby kangaroo meat. I forgot. Where is it? Hey, I don't even know because I have not entered the forest yet. Oh, yeah, because you're a new member. Over there! I will pull it out and show you. See? Over there. Yum, 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 yum. It's more sweeter like last time. It is more sweeter. It is more sweeter than the last time. I'm just joking, guys. Oh, wait for me. Oh yeah, this is more sweeter. What? You know too now? Oops, did I touch the tree? But nothing happened. Bombs away! Yum, yum, yum. Let's go. 3 hours later. Ugh. Oh no, they're close to me. Oh, I feel something moving. Yeah, you all did, right? Yeah. But I forgot. We are not 6 anymore. We are 7. Because the pink parrot is already here. The yellow parrot will come. Then we will have 7. Alright. But let's call 6 for now. Because there is 6 of us right now. Alright. Now pull up. That has the best pillow. Alright. Now let's kill him. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah. We will save some for the babies in later. Yeah. Once they come, we will make everything ready. Yeah. That's we have to do then. Oh no, they're close to me too now. Pak, pak, pak. Yeah. Alright, he's dead. But look at that, guys. Oh, it's a doorbell. Maybe it's the yellow parrot. No one? Alright, now let's eat. Hey, what is that happening over there? Let's have a look. Oh, it's the yellow parrot. He is just hiding over there. Welcome to the team. Oh wow, more birds. I want to join this team. Yeah, you're already in. Now taste this meat. It is tasty. Oh, okay, let's try it. Ooh, this is so tasty. Thanks, guys. I think you will be my new friends. Oh, goody. Alright, now we have a new partner. Finish all together. Oh no, they're almost going to finish. I think he's dead again. Oh, I see that's your nest. Yeah, and we have babies too. Oh, what? Alright, are they going to flying school? Yeah. But I think I feel something moving under this pillow. Yeah, let's pull it up. Okay, I've not flipped a meat pillow before, so can I try? Sure. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it is fun. And there it is. First me, because I'm the new one. Ouch. Ouch. Now we are 7. Let's move this pillow a little bit. Now let's eat. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, I see you're so powerful, you're forgetting what you're saying. Yeah. Okay, he's dead. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, yum, 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 yum. Oh, wrong side. Yum, 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 yum. Hey, wait for me. Yum, 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 yum. Hey, I've not finished yet. Not me too. Tasty. Wait for me. I'm the last one left. But why? Ouch, ouch. It is a little shaky because we are so confused by eating this meat. Say the song. Alright. He's dead. But we are tired. Yeah. The journey here made me tired too. Let's sleep, guys. My new friends. Okay. Okay, I'm a little bit tired too. Yeah, finishing the cow meat, the deer meat, the baby kangaroo meat. And Mrs. Kangaroo meat, you can see right there. Alright, I will show you by Zoom, but not me, the other friends. One of the other friends. Okay, the queen parrot commanded me to show. Oops. So I will show. But I command you to not drop the phone. Okay, we will look. See? Alright, now I did your command. Hey, we are just playing around like kings and queens. Yeah. Oops, I'm sleeping on top of you. Oh, ouch. I think I'll sleep in the other bed. I think it's need tidying. There. Oh wow, that is cute. But we have to sleep. Oh my god, they really make the video shake. But we have to do quick because after seeing them eating us, then we have to eat like them, not like meat. You have to eat the healthy food. Yeah, like vegetables and fruits. Let's go together. Yeah, I will go with my mother. And let's hop into the pouch. I think I will take my mother. Oh, thanks for helping. You're welcome. There. Here we are. Now we have to go quick because we are tired like them too. Bye guys. We will see you later.